In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 more stupid simple YouTube channel ideas that no one is talking about. We're going to talk about how you can get started, how they're really easy to make, and all of the different ways that you can monetize these channels. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about these very simple YouTube channel ideas. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from stand mixers to security cameras, microwaves, sound bars, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step checklist to make money online with things that you have lying around the house. Alright, so in this video, as I mentioned, I want to show you 3 more channel ideas. These ideas are actually really easy. You can decide to show your face, not show your face. You can do automation with these. You have lots of opportunity. So let's go ahead and talk about this first one. If we take a look at the screen here, I have how much does an underscore make? And with this one, we're looking at different professions. How much does a car salesman make? How much does a barber make? If we take a look at how much does a car salesman make, first of all, you can jump over to YouTube and it's going to give you a rundown. So what you'd want to do here in this instance is you want to talk about the range, what goes into the range, for example, the location, your experience, and then you can make money that way. In addition, if we take a look at Keywords Explorer here, this is a paid tool, Ahrefs. There's 3.3 million monthly searches for these types of questions. There are over 379,000 keywords, and they're asking about a pharmacist, a nurse, and you can simply run down the line and provide helpful content. And if you look here, these questions aren't too competitive. Usually when they are getting 3,000 searches per month, you're going to see like a dark orange or a red, meaning it's too competitive for someone that's brand new. But in addition to making money with the YouTube channel, you can also make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money selling different books. You can even make your own course. Now, think about this for a second. If someone is looking into how much does a barber make, obviously they want to become a barber. We could promote a course, an online course. We could promote different barber schools where we sell them leads and make money that way. We could promote different things, everything from a barber chair to specialized clippers that we could get off of Amazon. And so there are a few different ways to make money. And if you take a look, there are tons of views here. If we look, there's 19,000 views, 228,000 views, 222,000 views. Look at this one, only 2,000 subscribers, 1.3 thousand views. And so there is tons of opportunities simply just showing how much people are making. And again, you can get this information for free by just plugging it into Google. If you want to take it a step further, you could go to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, if we find the right one, you can actually get all of this information handed to you. BLS.gov is the website that you can go to, and you can actually get different outlooks on different occupations. So you can just run through the line, run right down the line and get all of the information that you need if you wanted to. You can also use another site, like it's called ONET Online. It's onetonline.org, and you can just type in different occupations. We could say car salesman, like this. Car salesman, man or woman. And it can actually give you all sorts of information that you need. Like, for example, retail salesperson, it's going to give you a range of how much they make. It's going to give you the tasks. So if you wanted to make sure that your video is 8 minutes or longer, you can talk about all the tasks that go into it, the work contact, work zone, talk about all of this. You could basically just kind of read this off, and you can make sure that you get an 8-minute video and talk about the education, and then finish it off with about how much they make. You can see here, the median wage is $14,000 per hour or $29,000 per year. So you can see you can do all of this for free just using free tools. If we go type in lawyer here, come back over to ONET Online, and we can type in something like lawyer. Like that. And once again, it's going to give us a rundown of how much a lawyer makes. You can just take this information right from this free website. It's called onetonline.org. I like to think of it as onetonline.org, and you can just basically talk about everything that goes into being a lawyer and potentially make money in all of the ways that I mentioned. But that's number one. This is, in my opinion, very simple, very easy, and there are literally thousands of keywords that you could target. Number two is how to become something. For example, if we look at this one, how to become a notary. And this is going to be different than the first one, how to become a notary. You can see here, 95,000 views, 76,000 views. This one right here, only 1,000 subscribers, 16,000 views from a year ago, and you're simply walking people through the process of becoming something. If we look at Ahrefs, they have 3.5 million monthly views, over 300,000 keywords, and people are asking how to become something. And if you want to become a notary or a flight attendant or a pilot, there are probably different degrees and certifications that you have to complete. And once again, you can make more outside of the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money with different courses, classes, certifications, even training materials, training handouts, study guides. There's all sorts of ways to make money. For example, if we look at how to become a flight attendant, come back over to YouTube, and a lot of people are looking this up because they want to become a flight attendant. So if you walk them through the steps and then refer to different things that are going to help them, you can make more money. 142,000 views 3 years ago, 23,000 views. And if we take a look at how to become a notary in Google, there are different websites out there that are walking you through the steps. So you just want to summarize, synthesize what you've learned. Obviously, you don't want to directly take someone else's hard work. Summarize, synthesize, and you can make money. But what we could do is jump over to something like Amazon and see if there are different books on how to become a flight attendant or a notary. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this in like that and hit enter. And you're going to see that there is different helpful information: how to become a flight attendant, instrument flying, how to become a flight attendant for airlines in the Middle East. That's really targeted. How to become a flight attendant. And you could be an affiliate for Amazon, recommend these different books, and earn a commission if someone decides to buy. But you could also find a course over on Udemy. So if we go to udemy.com and we type in something maybe like flight attendant or notary, you could see that there is opportunity. So if we come back over here, I'm just going to copy notary to ensure that I spell it correctly, and I'm going to paste it in. Hey, and if you know how to become a notary, you could create a course on how to become a notary. So if we look at this, and you saw there were a few different questions that people were asking, you can see that this is something that could make money. Only 38 results. This top one, only a 2-hour course, has over 2,400 reviews. If we click on this one, let's see how many people have viewed and taken this course. So it looks like over 6,000 students have completed this course on how to become a notary. So if we took 6,000, we take 6,800 and multiply that by 6,800 and multiply that by $9.99, you can see that this one course has generated almost $68,000. You probably would split that in half. You would be making about $30,000 with a course that you created teaching people how to become a notary. But that's kind of outside the scope of this video. But you can see here, there are all sorts of opportunities out here to create content. Look at this one, Flight Attendant Life, 3,000 views, 541 subscribers. Not really on target, but you can see that there is opportunity here. 753 subscribers, 23,000 views on how to become a flight attendant. But that is number 2. The first one was how much does a flight attendant make? The second one was actually how to become a flight attendant. So two different searches. And the third one that we want to take a look at today is how much does it cost? Yeah, this is completely different. I'm in the money mindset today. How much does it cost to freeze eggs? That's going to be an interesting question. If we copy this, we jump back over to YouTube and we paste it in, you're going to see that this question is being asked a lot. But you can see here, how much does it cost to build a gaming PC? That is ripe with affiliate opportunities. And really all of these are. So if we paste this in like this, how much does it cost to freeze eggs? And you can see 349 reviews from 11 months ago, 13,000 views, 33,000 views, 135,000 views about freezing eggs. And you can simply run through the line. This again gets 3.5 million searches per month, 637,000 keywords. And what we can do once again is we can come back over here and we can paste this in like this. And you're going to see that there are things out there that are walking you through the process. Look at this. How much does it cost to freeze eggs? Without insurance, it ranges between $10,000 and $20,000. Now think about that. People that want to know how much it costs to freeze eggs probably want to have their eggs frozen. And there could be different affiliate programs that you find. Maybe a loan, maybe a credit card. Maybe there are different programs out there that will pay you to generate leads for fertility clinics. So think about that for a second. There are tons of opportunities to make money in each one of these niches. If we come back over here, how much does it cost to build a house? You can recommend and generate leads for home builders, how much does it cost to charge a Tesla, and so on. Some of these are really, really good and really powerful that could actually help you make a decent amount of money. And once again, you're seeing a lot of green here. So it's not too competitive where a new YouTube channel couldn't find traction relatively fast. So just to recap real quick, the first one that I really liked, if we go back here, is how much does a blank make? So a carpenter, a pilot, a dental assistant. Number 2 is how to become something, how to become a firefighter, how to become a therapist, a model, and so on. And then the third and final one, which might be my favorite, is how much does it cost to do something? Replace a windshield, to get a passport, to raise a child. Now that you know 3 simple YouTube channel ideas, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money with things that you have lying around the house. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.